I found out I had kidney failure when I was about 16 years old. I was, in the middle of high school. There's not like a manual on how to deal with dialysis. 3 or 4 years ago, my last transplant failed. This would be the third transplant that failed. We all have hard times in life, and that was about my hard time in life. I was dealing with the third lost transplant.
My name is Sylvia. I'm George's home hemo nurse. George is very considerate. He's just a lovely person. I know he wanted to feel better, have a better life. He wanted to do more things. He's a young man.
I met Sylvia about 8 years ago. She trained me for home dialysis. Sylvia inspires me because she's very compassionate about this.
My approach to building connections with my patients is taking into consideration what their lifestyle is, what their goals are, and trying to help them manage that with dialysis.
It was probably shortly after I got done with home hemodialysis training that I decided that I wanted to be a PCT. That's a patient care technician. I don't even want to call it work because it doesn't feel like work. I just want to say dialysis away from my house, I guess.
I love the fact that George has decided to come on board with DaVita. Being a home patient gives you the opportunity to really follow whatever you want to do.
Sylvia definitely played a role in my decision to become a PCT. She's definitely my dialysis hero. I've had a lot of different help along the way from different people, nurses, PCTs, and I feel like I can take all that attained knowledge and help and be compassionate just as much as I was treated.
It does me a lot of good to see George help other people because I know what he's gone through. And I know it's important for him to give back. And it warms my heart that he's able to do it, that he's feeling good enough, he's strong enough to do it.
He is a champion for our patients to go home. He'll have that conversation about how doing home dialysis has given him the ability to have his life back.
You can have a perfectly good life and still do dialysis. While I'm doing home dialysis, I feel unstoppable. I don't think that life gives you things that you can't handle. One of the main things in my life is just to keep moving forward.